7 ways that you can make an additional income stream on your YouTube channel. And it just blows my mind. Just the fact that we could get paid and make money just by creating a video. Blows my mind. So Goldman Sachs says the creator economy could approach $500 billion by 2027. So there is a ton of money to be made if you want to be a creator, whether it's on YouTube or another social media site. The opportunity is better than ever. And what I love the most, that it's not just 20-year-olds that are making this money, money online. It's 50, 60, 70-year-olds. And there's a huge opportunity no matter what age you're in, no matter what niche you want to get into. Huge opportunity right now. So YouTube is the perfect place to do that. YouTube's still growing. And in fact, as I mentioned, the older generation, they are getting more involved. So YouTube is growing, again, no matter what age group. And what I love most about YouTube that no other platform has, except maybe TikTok a little bit, is YouTube pushes your video out for years after you publish it. Years. Whereas, like, if you put a post on Facebook, on your profile, it kind of goes away, right? After 48 hours, they're pretty much done serving it to people. But YouTube, it stays on not only your channel, but they keep promoting it for years. It's crazy. I get people reaching out to me from videos that I created 4 years ago. It's mind-blowing. Okay, so 7 ways to turn your YouTube video / channel into income streams. Number 1, obviously the most obvious, right? YouTube ad revenue requirements. You do need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And you need those 4,000 watch hours within a year's time. So like if you had a video blow up 5 years ago, it has no impact on you getting monetized, and those views won't count towards your 4,000 watch hours. Now that's on a long form video, but if you do use YouTube Shorts, you can get monetized if you have 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on short-term videos for 90 days. Now for me personally, I had a channel with 16,000 subscribers. Well, I still have it. And my best month from YouTube monetization was $5,000. I forget the number exactly. I can look it up. But it was around $5,000 a month just from long form video. And one of my best videos, I think, probably got like 90,000 views. And it was probably like $800 or $900 that I earned just from that video. Like, it literally took me an hour to create, and I made that kind of money. Now, unfortunately, not all my videos, did that well, but I just want you to understand YouTube monetization. Once you get monetized, it's a game changer. It really is a game changer. It's definitely something that it's an income you definitely don't want to depend on, for sure. And, you always want to have like an additional income stream, but tomorrow's video, I'm actually going to upload a video that talks all about the YouTube monetization process. So make sure you subscribe if you want to check out that video. And I've actually gone through it twice. So I'll go over the review process, my personal experience, and how quickly it happened, and all that good stuff. Next, along with YouTube ad revenue, maybe you don't have the 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. You can qualify for YouTube memberships with only 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours within a year. And then that's for long form content. And then for short form content, 3 million views within 90 days. Now, YouTube membership, what is it? It's actually a monthly membership you can create and then charge monthly to your viewers. So I've seen people do this. I've never done this personally, but I've seen people do this as little as like $2.99 a month. And you can have different tiers. So maybe the first tier is $2.99, and then your top tier is $9.99, or I've seen people do it for $25 a month, like depending on obviously what you want to provide, right? So what you're doing is you're creating a membership. So you're providing a service for that monthly fee. And YouTube will pay you 70% of the revenue that you make from memberships. Amazon is one that is absolutely a brilliant idea, especially now, right before Christmas, because anyone that goes to your affiliate link, okay, so what happened? Okay, Amazon offers an affiliate program. So what that means is if you apply to the program and become accepted, and you recommend products to your audience and people buy those products from your link, you can earn a commission. Now, it's nothing huge by any means. I think it's like, I don't even know, not even like 1%. Maybe it's changed. I don't know. I haven't looked at it for a while. But it could be something simple as, maybe I'm doing a video and someone wants to know about my printer back there, because someone actually made a comment on one of my videos about my printer. Maybe they want to buy that printer and they're like, hey, where can I find that printer? I can give them an Amazon link that's specially coded to me. And if they buy the printer, I would get a commission. So that's something that's kind of easy to do and doesn't require any extra work. Next is brand deals. Once you start to have an engaged audience, then companies are going to reach out to you and possibly offer you a brand deal, which is if you recommend a product, then, they pay you X amount of money for you to just recommend that product. Now, one thing that I wish I had done with my one channel was I know for a fact, I did not have a visible email address for people to reach out to me. I can almost guarantee you, just because the engagement I was getting on my channel, that someone would have reached out to me to give me a brand deal. So if that is something you are interested in, please make sure you make your email easy to find. And in fact, not only do you want to have it in your About Me page, but maybe even put it in the description of your video if you're interested in brand deals. In fact, I need to remind myself to do that myself. Crowdfunding. So what this is it's like a tip, so to speak. It's like a one-time tip. YouTube YouTube has this. So you might go to some videos, and if they're monetized, you might see the thanks button under a video. So that's just a one-time tip, okay? And then also when people do live streams, people can give you super chats, which is again like a one-time tip. I think my highest so far was a $50 super chat, which I thought was very generous. Anyway, so before you're monetized, you can use these services. There's one called Buy Me a Coffee. There's one called Tip Jar, and then you can just create a link using PayPal. And again, this is just people that want to tip you for you just producing good quality videos that actually help people. When you decide to get on YouTube and you pick your niche, I'm assuming most times you know a little bit about that niche. Well, what if you take it a step further, and instead of relying just on YouTube monetization for making an income on YouTube, how about creating a course or just something like an ebook or mentoring or a workshop? It could be either an in-person workshop or it can be, online. The best part about creating your own products is you don't have to share the revenue with anyone. You make 100% of what you sell. Now, the platform that you host your products on, you're going to have to pay them a percentage, and then as well as the payment processor. But other than that, you're pretty much walking away with 95% of the income that you make from selling your own products. But if you are like me, and maybe one day down the road you want to create a product, maybe you're like me, you're busy, you're tired, you work full time, you have kids, you're exhausted all the time, and you don't have the mental capacity to create your own products, the next best option is affiliate products. So ideally, what you want to do is sell products to your audience that actually helps to solve their problem. Now, for example, maybe you have, a weight loss YouTube channel. So you could sell products that help with weight loss. Maybe vitamins, a weight loss shake, maybe some exercise tool or something. And the best part about the affiliate programs is the products are already established. You don't have to create anything. You just have to apply to the specific company and apply to the company and then just simply promote the products. So something I was actually thinking about was, say you're into camping and you have a channel all about camping. You could become an affiliate for Dick's Sporting Goods. And then as you're camping, you could show your, I'm looking for a hydro flask. Like, I don't even have one in my office. I don't even know why I'm looking for one. But, you can pull out your hydro flask and be like, yeah, if you want this, like Dick's Sporting Goods has it, or maybe the tent or the Yeti cooler. Like, oh, I wish I was into camping because I could think of so many ideas right now. But you understand what I'm saying. And the cool thing is, if you promote your specific affiliate link for Dick's Sporting Goods or whatever store you want to, they buy from that link, you get a commission, which I think is so cool because you don't have to ship the products, you don't have to do customer support, you don't have to do anything. And they do all the work for you. You just have to promote, you make a sale, you get paid. And then another example I have is maybe you have a makeup channel or maybe like a skincare channel and you want to recommend some skincare products. You could be an affiliate for Sephora or Ulta. And it's the same premise as the other example. You have your unique affiliate link. You direct people to that link. If they buy from you and they, make a purchase, then you receive a commission. So why get started with affiliate marketing? Number one, it's low cost. You can get involved with affiliate marketing and affiliate programs absolutely free. There's low or no monthly expenses. There's no inventory, just like I mentioned before. And the company ships the product. Your only job is to promote your website. And if you do this right, you can literally make sales 24/7. So what you're looking at right now is an ebook that I created. It's absolutely free. I go over and talk about 4 ways that you can find affiliate products in your niche. So if you're interested, put your email address in the link in the description box below, and you'll get the email. You'll receive an email with this PDF. You'll get it right away. And yeah, just read through it. And like I said, I'll teach you exactly how to find free products that you can promote. As I mentioned, tomorrow's video is going to be all about YouTube monetization. So if that interests you, then click on this video that's showing up here and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.